Hello guys, how are you? And welcome back from, well, this is part two. We just did the part one, which you again should see first because that's the uranium sector. And that was again, it looks really good. But I think you're in for an equal as exciting sector, which is the gold and silver. So as always, Burak, start with where can people find you, and then we just gonna go straight into why we're here.
Yeah, yeah, it's Burak from Trading Channels. You can find me on Trading Channels at on X and then Trading Channels at UK. We've been making these videos with Casper for last couple of years, and it's quite exciting. It hasn't been this exciting before. I mean, last summer, yes, it was already good, but I think since April, especially silver miners are, yeah, making us making our year really.
Yeah.
So we obviously gold is leading the way, and the gold miners are doing amazing. Have already been doing amazing since the last 2 years, and silver is catching up. But I think gold is not finished, far from it, and we can see it from these charts. I'm going to start with GDX, GDXJ, the minor ETFs of gold, and then the silver ETFs. And then again, we'll probably do it in two parts because there are so many stocks to cover. And I'll go alphabetically after that, after the ETFs. So let's start with GDX first. The break of this red resistance after the bounce off this green support was happening in 2024. We got to the golden top band, which was a downtrend, like a massive multi-decade downtrend, which got confirmed at this pullback. And then we broke it, back tested it. We got to the blue, like we formed the blue uptrend, right? This here is a blue uptrend with 3 touches on the top, 2 touches on the bottom. It is interesting that when an uptrend breaks to the upside, it becomes even more bullish. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. The obvious target, which I've also explained in the previous videos, is the green top band. The previous all-time high is at 66. We are only 5 points from there. And the green top band is around, what, 99? Well, 95 plus. That's the minimum target. And when it gets there, if it gets there and when it gets there, we should also be careful about gold itself. So until that moment, gold is looking still very, very good, and the gold itself is doing well. And I think there is more upside for gold. When this ETF goes there, we have to be careful. So 90 plus, 95 plus is the GDX target. GDXJ target is a bit more closer, looks a bit more closer, but we may even break this green top band to get to the previous all-time highs of 180, 190. So the blue resistance, so first the red one was broken. Many backtests on that red bull flag, broken bull flag, back in 2023. Then we cleared the blue resistance, got to the golden top band, similar to the other one. The uptrend was broken to the upside, and then it got even back tested. And from there, it didn't look back, rallied. It's still going well. And the green top band is the obvious minimum target at 88 for GDXJ, the juniors. And I believe there is a good chance this uptrend will also be broken to the upside. Maybe we get there, pull back, and then break out to get to 180, the previous all-time highs. SIL, silver, how do you call it? Not junior miners, the normal big miners.
The majors, yeah.
Yeah, the majors. The golden bottom band, 1, 2, 3, and we cleared the red resistance. This is exactly where it started running. It got to this green major resistance from the highs of 2011. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pulled back. This is Trump tariffs. Then we smashed that green resistance, back tested it right here in May. And from May, it's also started running, kept on running. Now, you can see the blue uptrend, and I believe this uptrend is going to be smashed to the upside, which is, again, it's going to be very, very bullish. Keep on going all the way to the golden top band. Minimum target is 85 plus for silver miners, junior miners. No, this is the big one. SIL 88, 85 plus, somewhere there. SIL junior, so silver juniors. The red bull flag was broken and back tested. You can see here this red downtrend. I know there are a few lines, but every color is a different formation. Okay, that's why I use different colors. The green major resistance, for example, is now broken, which is substantial. But first, the red one was broken, back tested twice, then rallied, and we are now out in the clear. The golden internal resistance is going to be broken too, I believe, especially considering that silver is not really rallying. Considering that silver is still under $40. Imagine silver is getting to 50, which is the new all-time high. What this is going to happen? What's happening with this chart? Easily, we're going to get to that golden top band at 34. It's a doubling for the juniors. Now I'm going to talk about in alphabetical order, or starting with Aftermath Silver. Again, quite a few lines, but the most important one was the red one, which, we signaled along, but the green resistance was broken, back tested here, the red internal, this red one, but the most important one was the break of this red resistance at the 4 touch. And we have this golden small bull flag here, right there. Right, this one, short-term bull flag. It's going again. This is another example of level to level. So you can see this is one consolidation. This is another consolidation. This was another previous consolidation, broken and back tested. Every single time it gets out of one consolidation, comes out around for a back test, breaks out. Now the golden one is the current consolidation. Once it breaks, we get to the blue top band, which is at 150 plus. And is it going to be able to, do we have an overhead resistance here? We probably don't. No, I can't say that. No, not really. Not really, no. But I think the blue top band is the obvious target. And ultimately, long-term wishful thinking target is the golden top band, which is a new all-time high at 5 plus. So we are at 83 cents, and the long-term target can easily be 5.50 or $6. Abra Silver is one of our, the best, one of the best. The blue resistance break, but before that, it's this green consolidation, rallied, cleared it, came back down, but the red support rails, they were all playing their part. The blue one's break was the big call, and it also cleared this red internal resistance rail there, and even back tested it here, which is why it's at $6. And again, this is a wishful call, but it's that $40 mark. It's not going to be easy. It's at $6, but why not? Yeah, that's an uptrend that is forming, in my opinion, and we may get there. AEM, Agnico Eagle Mines, right? We bought this one at the red bull flags breakout, which was at 90. The obvious target was the golden top band. We closed half of it here. Then the golden top band is also breaking. It's up from like 90 to 140. So that's kind of like 40% rally. And the ultimate target is the blue one. That's the ultimate target, which is at 170, 180. Of course, it may break that one as well. But the red giant multi-decades breakout was an obvious long opportunity. And the golden uptrend is broken to the upside. It's unstoppable now. It is really, really strong. AG is one of the disappointments so far. Why? Because the red downtrend is broken together with the green. Okay, look at this breakout, but there is no real strength behind it. Okay, the obvious target, initial target, is the golden top band, which is at $11, $12. And then after that, we may even get to that blue top band, right? This is the high of 2021. I think ultimately we're going to get there, but it is a drag so far. And the previous all-time highs are at what? 30, 28, 30, which is that blue top band. That's the ultimate target. Our current price is at $9. AGX is not one of the best charts, to be honest. Golden resistance was broken, but then fell back pretty hard. And of course, this is Trump tariffs, then recovered back into the blue bear flag, that failed bear flag. Is it going to rally? Maybe. It is a kind of a penny stock, but this red resistance, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If this breaks, I think there is an opportunity at least to get to this here. Okay, that's the 1.2 mark. So kind of a sideways channel here that can happen. And the fact that this resistance is broken definitely is a good sign, but the red one should be broken as well. And I think that's quite possible. APCO, Apollo Silver broke out of the green downtrend, kind of a bull flag. If you consider this is the post of the flag and this is the flag itself, unusual. Yeah, post is so short, but yeah, this is a really large consolidation. But we broke out, back tested it. Now the red uptrend is on, and the red top band is at 78. And from there, if it can break out, then yeah, the previous all-time highs is at 28. I'm not saying it's going to get there, don't get me wrong. But if the red top band breaks, then yeah, I mean, we are going to get to at least to the highs of 2019, and then we'll reassess how this whole thing is unfolding. APM is my best call so far. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the break of that green resistance was the buy signal, which was at 130, and it rallied, came down to the blue support during the tariff news, tariff volatility. Then we didn't close it. It was kind of breaking down, but it was news induced. So I thought, okay, we have to get through this. Finally, it got to the purple resistance and the red one. And once that purple and red, first the red one, you can see highs of 2022, 1, 2, 3, massive breakout, purple resistance after 4 touches. And even the blue top band, it got there. I thought this is going to stop and come down. We scaled out of the position here, half of it, but then it smashed through it, back tested that blue uptrend, and now it's at 5. So from 1.3 to 5, not too bad. Mm-hmm. And I don't know where it's going to go. Really, it's uncharted territory. So we're going to be watching this quite carefully, considering the entire sector is booming, and the APM is showing relative strength. So there is no reason to basically close this position. APN is Altiplano Metals. This is a blue downtrend and the green downtrend, very, very tiny, like 0.4 cents. So it's just, even though like you can see it is such a tiny stock, tiny float, but there is formation. Okay, the green downtrend and the blue one. If the blue one breaks, then the green one is going to break too, and then it may really rally. ASM, right? This was also an amazing one. I think you told me about this one, Caspar. Yeah. The green resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4. This was the breakout, which is why I bought it. We bought it at 260. I think it me like even before, because this is a major breakout, multi-decade, 2006 high, right? It was, you know, it was a very obvious breakout. I think the obvious target is the golden top band. Bottom band is here. Minimum target is the golden top band, which is at 515. And then if it can be broken, then we get to the previous highs of all-time highs of 20 easily, because this is a major break. I mean, if you look at it from these as well, right? This red one, it's not as, it's not very precise, but certainly there is this, the whole dynamics have changed this year. So yeah, this looks good. Avino. AU, Orion. There are two AUs. One is Ashanti, and we are long both. And this one is Orion. The green downtrend was broken. That's a massive bull flag, broken, back tested, red resistance, red support holding. Everything is playing out beautifully on this one. And the blue resistance should be broken for it to get to the previous highs of 3. And it's at 93 cents. So big upside on this one. And this one, right, this green bull flag was textbook. So when you catch something like this, you have to go for it. This is AngloGold Ashanti. The red multi-decade downtrend was broken. We bought it at 34 once it cleared that red top band. Massive downtrend, or kind of like not even a downtrend, but a huge consolidation. And the golden major resistance rail is broken, right, from 34 to 55. And the obvious target is the green top band at $74, $75. That's, 100% rally of like doubling of that position from April. That was also the reason why I called the silver miner buy signal in April, because this is a major player. And it looked like a massive breakout. So, okay, that gave me a bit more confidence about that call. Now, let's have a look at AYA. Again, one of the disappointing ones. The reason is quite clear. The blue resistance was broken and back tested here. It rallied to that red major resistance. So I'm going to show you where that red one is. Okay. I saw that red one a bit too late. And we bought it here. It rallied, came back down. I wish I had seen it, because that red resistance reversal was something big. And it even broke down during the tariff volatility. It broke down this green uptrend, even back tested it. But finally, this blue support, even though it was damaged, it held. The golden bull flag is broken. I'm going to remove the green one here. So this should be targeting that red resistance once again, and that level is 21. Okay, AYA gold and silver. AZT has this golden downtrend and the green bull flag. The red resistance is broken. What we need with this one is the break of that golden and green together above 27. If it can break 27 cents, then this is going to run to, well, the previous highs of 60, I think, maybe 64. It is quite a nice textbook golden bull flag here. But yeah, it's not breaking out just yet. Baru, right, the green resistance broken and back tested, the golden top band. It's one of those penny stocks. I'm going to skip this one. And this is Hercules. Lovely setup. The golden support is holding. That diagonal resistance became a support 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times actually. The blue bull flag was broken. Okay, back in, well, July time. The golden resistance is broken and back tested. And the green one was broken, but then fell back below it. So I'm going to remove this green one. Not very precise, but the golden one is quite precise. okay? And this looks like it wants to keep going, unless it breaks down, of course. But I think this is going to wake up again and keep on getting to the previous high of what, 696, and then from there to the previous highs of 1.5, 1.6 level. That's the minimum target of this gold blue bull flag breakout. BRC is looking amazing because of the green support test, bounce, golden bull flag, and the red giant bull flag. Very big bull flag that was broken out, and that's why we're long this. But before that, even this blue internal bull flag was broken. But the main one was the red one. And the target, of course, as in every bull flag, is where the bull flag has started, which is around 1.6. And it's at 65, so there's room to go. BTG, right? B2 Gold, green resistance, broken, back tested during COVID. This year is another 3 touches. So a line, I mean, look at this, like it's quite a nice resistance support line. And the blue one, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost broken here, then recovered. Blue resistance broken, back tested. The red one was broken too. Now the golden top band is a potential resistance. It may get completely ignored. Golden bottom band is here. Golden top band is there. So the red one is broken, but the golden one may also hold. So it's right there. It may get completely ignored. And I think it's still looking extremely bullish, as long as, you know, like since the break of that red downtrend, and it's backtest. It's everything is textbook on this one, and BTG is aiming for 770. It's at 4, so good. And Kerr, whatever. The red resistance, that multi-decade resistance was broken, which is why we're long this at somewhere around 7. I think I can't remember the exact number, but we are long this and we are targeting 21, somewhere around 21. It's going to test the green plus the blue, the major double resistance right there. From there, this is going to pull back, I believe. And I can even give you a target. Next year, May, if it wants to get there, it may get there by next year, May. Of course, it may get there much more quicker. I don't know. But that green top band is the obvious target together with the blue. That's somewhere around May. Serado Gold, since the break of the green resistance, blue one, rallying, and I think it is inside an uptrend. I'm not sure if the red one is our uptrend, but certainly this is an uptrend. We have to wait and see. Looking very, very good, and the previous all-time highs is quite reachable for this one, which is around 1.7. CKG, I don't like this one. Chesapeake, right? It's not really one of my favorites. I'm going to skip this one. Defiance Silver, purple bull flag needs to be broken. Golden downtrend was broken already. The purple one has to be broken. Yeah, this one. If and when this breaks, it's going to run big time, probably all the way to 1. The breakout level would be 26, somewhere 25 cents if it can break out. If that's a big if. DMX. Right, the blue major resistance was broken, golden resistance was support broken, back tested, and now the red, so the obvious target after the breakout was the red top band, and it's almost there. We're getting there. The purple resistance together with the blue. I think I can remove the golden one. That's a little bit confusing. But the blue and purple, that was a breakout. It broke out at around 45 cents. It got to 1.4. It already got to the previous highs of 2011. This is massive relative strength for a stock. DRD, one of my favorites. The red giant downtrend is broken. Before that, the blue one was broken. So they are all past actions, but golden, green support, then the red one, and now the golden small bull flag is broken right there, right? Just last week, right? I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. And the minimum target is the purple top band at 33. So this is looking very, very good. And DSV, since the break of the blue bull flag, one of the best calls again, the break of the blue bull flag, what was around 150 and it's at 4. The blue major resistance is broken and back tested, and that's why it is still running. Really big, hugely bullish with relative strength. Silver is not even running, and this stock is running like crazy. And the obvious target is at 8. DV, okay, this has been a little bit of a drag. You can see that blue resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4. So many touches on this and still hasn't broken out. Is it going to break down or is it going to really break out? We'll find out. But once it takes out that blue resistance properly, it's not as precise as I would like it to be. Yeah, but it is trying. And I think around 650, we can say this is gone. It's going to break out. DYG, I don't like this one. And EDV, just recently, like the red bull flag, this sideways channel, was broken out. And the blue internal resistance is gone now, which is why it is looking at 85 and maybe all the way to the golden top band at around what, 170, 180, 200, you name it. But I think this golden uptrend is our target and it is just starting. This consolidation is over and there is big upside for Endeavour Mining. ELR golden wedge was broken and backed. Not a very clear chart, not a very clean chart. Only the red downtrends break would call for a long, which is around what, 50, 55 cents. Equity is going sideways. There is no break. Blue one is broken and back tested, but the golden top band is at 38 cents, 39. This has to be broken. So far, nothing is happening. EQX, Equinox, just broke that black resistance after the purple support. Green resistance broken and back tested. This is looking very, very good right now. Really good. And if we have to put it into a kind of an uptrend, and I can argue that it is targeting that golden top band. And that is actually the previous highs of 2020-21. So Equinox is looking good. ERD, one of my favorites. After the green, bull flags break out.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And then the golden, this golden bear flag broken to the upside, back tested. And that was the second long call. We got to this triangle recently, and now this purple major resistance is breaking out. Really big, really big. And the previous all-time highs are here from 1.9, but I think it's not going to stop there. I think our target is this one there. I'm going to put this in blue. Okay, so this is Ardenne Resources, and the target is 4+. So looking amazing, really.
Yeah, and one could even argue that it's like a 20-year cup and handle, that one there as well.
You mean this?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, the neckline being the purple.
Yeah. EXK, blue resistance broken and back tested. The red bull flag is broken. Now the golden resistance rail is being forced to break. Okay, so maybe we're going to come down a little bit, and then after that, a breakout should target the previous all-time highs of 13+. And if it wants to keep on going further, then this blue top band is the target. All the way to 23, 24. EXN,
Nice.
not my favorite. FNE, oh yeah, this is an amazing stock, really. Franco Nevada, red, perfect uptrend. Green resistance, the golden one first, then the green, right? The green resistance, 1, 2, 3 touches, broken, back tested, golden support. Now the blue bull flag is broken to the upside. That is where, that's like a double support right there, 214. It's 257. And the red top band is the obvious target, which is at 500, 600, you name it. Like, depends on how fast it gets there. But it is a beautiful uptrend. And yeah, this is one of the good ones. It's not even a kind of a miner. I think it has shares on different mining stocks and all that. It's a different company. I haven't looked at the fundamentals. Fresno, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is like blue support together with the red. Massive bounce. This is in London Stock Exchange. Green resistance was broken, got to the red, pulled back. Then the red top band was broken. Again, I started calling here, but then the real call was here to buy it. And it got to the blue top band now. It already like more than quadrupled since here. And then from 700 to 1700, not too bad for, a few months of work. And the blue top band is now obviously the next resistance. So from there, it may start to pull back. But this is a very, very large bull flag from the highs of 2011. So 14-year bull flag. If and when this breaks out, Fresnillo is going to go bonkers. FSM, this is Fortuna Mining, right? Still targeting the red top band. Okay, this red sideways channel, the green resistance broken, and years later, it came for a back test, almost like coming back to the crime scene. Then the blue downtrend was broken and back tested a little bit deep. Golden sideways channel was broken and back tested recently, back in July. Now it is targeting the red top band at 10. So this is also looking very nice. Fury has to break this green resistance rail. Okay, that diagonal one. This has to break. We haven't really gotten to that level yet, but once it breaks, I think it's going to run to the blue resistance right there. That's the minimum target if this one breaks. And GNM, which is Generation Mining. Okay, so this is interesting. Right, we have 2 minutes and I'm very thirsty. I'm going to let me take a sip. So Generation Mining had broken out of the green downtrend, which was obviously very bullish. Then it stalled at that red perfect resistance, 1, 2, 3. And the golden uptrend was broken recently, which is kind of bearish because of also the break of that blue support. For it to start to keep on going, it really has to break that red resistance. Otherwise, there may be a backtest on that green downtrend, that broken downtrend, around 20 cents. And then from 20 cents, we rally. So again, we are price action dependent. At the moment, we need the break of that red or a backtest on the green, which is at 20 cents. Okay, GFI, another giant breakout here, multi-decade. So the blue one, right? The blue bottom band here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not very clean, but we finally broke it. And then the golden resistance also, like that ascending resistance, broken and back tested. Let me zoom in, right? Really nice resistance, broken, back tested. But not only that, the red massive sideways action is now broken. So minimum target is 70 plus 75, and then we'll see whether it can be broken too. But you can see the green support, 3 touches. So the obvious minimum target is 75 plus. Okay, so it's at 33. you're looking at more than doubling your money. GGD, Gold Resources, is looking amazing because first the green and then the blue downtrend, they were broken after the test on the golden support here back in 24. And the red, you can see the red uptrend was broken to the upside and got back tested here. We are holding this one, and the black resistance is now. Yeah, GGD, which is Gold, right. The red top band is broken and back tested, and now the black resistance is being broken, right? This is a major one that is being broken right now. So the upside is the previous all-time highs of 360, 370, and then perhaps more. GGP is in London, and the purple support was tested. Resistance, broken support, very nice. Broken resistance becomes a support. Then the red wedge was broken, which is why we bought it. And just recently it came down with some news, I think maybe like earnings or something. But I think this is going to keep on climbing to the previous all-time highs of 800. We're at 260. So I'm not getting out of this miner. Definitely not. Gold, which is gold mining. Yeah, that red support held during Trump tariffs. Yes, actually, this is the Trump tariffs. Then it tried to break that red support, then recovered. The blue resistance is gone. And the obvious target to me is the red, right? That's a kind of a sideways. But then after that, once it breaks two, then we can get to, well, basically, I think minimum target is about 250, maybe 3. The previous all-time highs are 3 plus, maybe 4. So this is a massive consolidation, which it is getting out of. GPAC, Great Pacific Gold, red downtrend is broken and back tested. This has quite good upside. But it's a laggard. It's not really performing like the others. GPG also not impressive, but for it to become impressive, it has to get to the red and the blue 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance lines, 4 touches. If it can go beyond 37, 38, this becomes a buy signal. Sense, of course. GRSL, GR Silver Mining, it's not very impressive either. The purple bull flag is broken and it's getting back tested right now. So this has to start going. And I'm thinking, do we have a kind of an overhead resistance? I think we do. Right. This one. And if this one breaks as well, clear overhead resistance. If this one breaks too, then yeah, it's going to open the way for a big rally. GSVR. Right, the green resistance is broken. The blue one is broken and back tested. That's short-term resistance. I'm going to remove that. This is not a very nice one. But the golden one is being like damaged already. So if it gets to the red 1, 2, 3 and smashes it, then the blue resistance is going to be the next target. That's the minimum target. But the fact that the green one is broken is a good sign. Hecla is looking very, very positive now. So this here is a multi-decade major resistance, right? And it's still holding. Don't get me wrong, it's not broken out yet. But I think just like Kerr Mining, this is also getting ready because the blue bull flag is broken, right? This is a long-term bull flag that is broken. And the green and golden. So if it breaks 8.9, I would say around $8.90, it would break out. And then it will target 28, maybe like 30, 32, which is the red top band. That's the minimum target if it can break $9. Let's put it that way. IAG, IAMGOLD, nice name for a company. Red resistance, broken back tested, but before that, the golden downtrend was broken, right? That's a standalone resistance, but it was also kind of a downtrend here, this golden one, right? It was broken out back in 2024. The red one was broken and back tested. And not only that, the green sideways channel, right? Massive from the 2016, 1, 2, 3 touches on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, broken, back tested. This golden resistance just recently broken. Yeah, I told the members, okay, this is again another level to buy into. The purple top band is at 20. So it's doubling. We're looking at doubling from here minimum. And the previous all-time high is at 24. So it may get to 24 while it's climbing inside the purple uptrend. I think, yeah, the target is 24, 25, the previous all-time high. That's the minimum target. IGO, Independence Gold, golden downtrend broken, the blue sideways channel broken, back tested. It is not performing yet, but it bounced off the red, and this green small bull flag, not so small actually, this is from October 24. If it can be broken, which is at what, around 16 cents, maybe 16 and a half. If this breaks, then we're going to see a run on this one. So Impui, which is Impala, the green major downtrend is still on. The golden one was broken and back tested. The red uptrend was broken down back in 23. The blue downtrend was broken and back tested, which is why it became bullish. And the purple bull flag was broken. And the black top band was broken, but it's kind of falling back into it. I don't think this is going to come down to the purple for a back test, but you never know. Okay, it was a very spiky breakout, not some organic market forces, but it is a breakout, and that's why it got to, well, around 10. We bought this one at the, I'm not sure if we bought it here or the purple bull flag, I can't remember, but we are long Impui and purple bull flag, yeah. The obvious target to me is the green resistance. And of course, if that green downtrend breaks, that's a multi-decade giant downtrend. If this one breaks, then it gets to a new all-time high, which is at 49.50. So that's Impala Platinum. And platinum stocks are a little bit different. Like platinum rallied 40% this year. It was astonishing from 1,000 to 1,450, 45% actually. But the platinum stocks are not responding. So it's a very odd, very, very odd, to be honest, that PLG, the platinum group, or this Impala, it's far, far from that performance of the underlying commodity. IPT, right? The blue sideways, the red one was broken, the green one was broken, which is why IPT is going to run to that blue top band from here, I believe at 93 cents. And of course, if it breaks that blue top band, right? This is a sideways channel, massive from the highs of 2016. So almost 10 years of 10 years in the making. Blue bottom band, blue top band, very nice sideways action. And if it can break out eventually, then it gets to the previous highs of what, 350? So it's a kind of a 10x trade here if it wants to run. Jaguar Mining, after the break of the blue downtrend, it rallied, but then green uptrend was broken down, but it's getting closer to that purple top band now, which is the target. From there, we may see another dive. Yeah, this is Jaguar. Kinross, one of my favorites, because of the first, the green uptrends break was the initial signal to buy. And then the blue major resistance from the highs of 2008 was broken. And then the golden resistance, right, broken and back tested, black bull flag, blue uptrend formed. And moreover, the most important one is this red uptrend is breaking to the upside. So that has been my minimum target, which is at $19. It's already breaking that red top band, which is, yeah, astonishingly strong. And I think it is going to get to the previous highs and maybe more. So the previous all-time highs of 2008 at 26. So still going on. This is KTN. I'm not really very fond of this one. Leo, right? Big potential, huge potential by Lion One Metals, but the problem is that it couldn't break that green resistance. Okay, that green downtrend 1, 2, 3, 4. It bounced off the red bottom band at 25, which is what we bought. It got to 40 very quickly. It is inside the green downtrend and it is inside the golden larger downtrend. First, we need to break 28 to get out of the green, then get to the golden and smash that too. And the obvious target would be the red top band at 360. So, sorry, 326, because of this red giant sideways channel. Without breaking the red bottom band, it has to break the green, then the golden. So really big potential, but so far it's been lagging. And that kind of worries me. We have to break 2850 to start going, to get going. London, one of the best setups here. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the green. It broke out of the golden bull flag. And even though the red uptrend was broken, it is now getting closer to that level. I'm going to remove the red. I think we have this resistance here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This is kind of a fakey, but it is getting there. And if it can break out, London is going to be another champion. Okay, London Mining from Canada. Min Alamos, blue downtrend was broken and it's getting back to for the second time. The green resistance break was short-lived, but it is sitting on this blue support right now, right? Today, it is sitting on this blue support. So if it wants to start going, it has to start right here, get to the previous highs, and then get to the previous all-time highs of 75 cents. MGG, one of the good setups here, because the golden support held, the green bull flag was broken, which was inside the red bull flag, right? Red, big downtrend. And the golden bull flag has formed. Anything above 30 cents is going to look amazing. So MGG is up for a big run, but it has to break this golden bull flag as well. Okay, I'm going to put it on the daily chart to show you a little bit better. Right, golden top, golden bottom, beautiful bullish scenario here, but we need to break 30 cents to get going. MKO, I think you remember this one,
Yeah. I bought
Casper,
the blue,
because you showed me this one. The blue resistance since that break, it's been running, and clearly the red uptrend is our target, the top band of it, which is at $9. We are at 620, but it was a very clear setup. The golden bull flag was broken, the red resistance broken and back tested, then the blue one and this blue one. Everything was pointing to a breakout. And yeah, the buy signal was at 3. It's already doubled, but I think we have another $3 to go, which is that red top band. MTA, really gorgeous chart. Green downtrend long time ago. We can remove that one. The blue downtrend is now broken together with this golden major resistance. Golden bottom band, 1, 2, 3, 4. Golden internal resistance is now cleared together with the blue downtrend. Big upside from here, really strong. And I think this is going to run, well, I don't know. It's the obvious target would be the red, that red broken support, backtest, and the new all-time high, which is at $13. It's at $4 today. So beautiful charting, beautiful chart. Golden downtrend, by McEwen, broken, back tested several times. The red bull flag was broken before that. Purple resistance broken just recently. But we still need to see the break of the green larger downtrend. Okay, so if this can be broken to, the minimum target is 15. So there is good upside here, but if that breaks as well, then obviously the highs of 2006-7, which is at what, 100? So it's at $11. It may really get back to that $100 mark. Newmont, NEM, red uptrend, okay, but very long chart, long-term chart. The green downtrend was broken, which was the buy signal for our money. Blue resistance zone was broken right here. The green one broken and back tested. Blue horizontal resistance broken and back tested, which is why it's running now. And the red top band is at 92. So really good upside from here. And we'll see whether that red top band can be taken out too. And then I think it may even get to, oh, sorry, that red top band right there, if it really wants to go. Blue and then all the way there. But first the blue top band. And this here is Novagold. It doesn't get any better than this. Okay. Golden downtrend broken, back tested. The red major resistance broken and back tested. The green bear flag broken to the upside. I mean, what else do you need? It's gorgeous. And again, I've been posting this to members as a long-term buy. And from the breakout levels 5, it's already up almost 100%. And yeah, there is more coming all the way to $18. OCG, a really big potential here, okay, because the golden downtrend is broken and back tested. Short-term blue bull flag is broken and back tested, okay, and oops, okay, I turned off my screen all of a sudden. The red resistance is the one to watch, which is being forced to break right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the purple top band. If it breaks the purple top band as well, which is a potential bear flag, right? If it gets to that level at 42 and smashes it, then it targets the green top band at 149, 150, somewhere there. That will be the minimum target for outcrop. This here is Pan American Silver. Since the break of the red downtrend, it has been rallying. Purple resistance broken and back tested, right? 1, 2, 3, broken, back tested, then rallies. Previous resistance becomes a support. The black spin-off channel here is broken to the upside. And the obvious major resistance is the green one, 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe we're going to break this and it's going to really rocket after that. So Pan American Silver looking really good, and the major resistance break is going to open the way for maybe $70, $80, $90. PGE has broken this, first the blue, then the red, 2, 3 touches, broken, and the green sideways channel. Okay, so this is the flag, this is the post, and this is the flag itself. The green top band is the target of 58. And if it can break that green top band, then the real rally would start. PLG, this is the one I was talking about. Since the break of that blue resistance and its back test, it's been very, very sluggish. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on the golden. The red resistance may break, and the golden top band would be at $7.20. $7, $7.20. But as I said, platinum is running, but platinum group metals is not really responding. PPLT is platinum physical shares. Of course, this is the following platinum itself, golden bull flag, and the blue major resistance break. That's why it ran really big. PRB, probe gold, trying to break this golden resistance now. Tried it here, failed, but the red bull flags backtest held. So you can see here that red broken resistance, right, is holding. So I think we're going to break this golden resistance properly, and then it's going to run to the previous size. Really good upside from here. And RDS, I know this is also one of your favorites, but it kind of like it hit my target now, Caspar, because the green resistance break and then the blue bull flag, and we rally to the blue top band, right? This is a spin-off channel, and the purple top band is not tested yet. But if it wants to get to the previous highs, it has to break the blue properly, like it just reversed right there, or kind of like stalled there at least. But if it breaks the purple as well, together with the blue, then yes, then it will get to like 90 cents, 90.91, and then even higher. So this is looking good. Obviously, it is showing massive relative strength compared to the others. And RGLD, Royal Gold, had broken this purple resistance and backtested it, and the golden bottom band held. That's why I sent the long signal right about here. So like maybe a little bit before that, but then the golden bottom band together with the purple, that's a kind of a double support. I love these kinds of setups. And now the green resistance will break, and we get to the golden top band at 230 plus. So looking very, very handsome here. Is it going to be this green resistance? Oh, yeah, look at that. This could be broken too. I mean, it tried to break it, right? Red. I'm going to put this in red, right? It is, I'm going to put it maybe more precise. 1, 2, 3 touches. So if it breaks the red, it's going to be much easier to get to the golden top band, and that would actually become a major like breakout, because this is a very long-term resistance line. And this is Sibanye. Yeah, one of the good ones. Once it broke out of the blue downtrend and the green resistance, we bought it. And then the golden sideways channel was broken too. It has been correcting. And on the daily chart, maybe it is forming this blue bull flag. Maybe. It has to get to the blue top band first, and then maybe come down and then break out. But looking good. Yeah, looking very good. And this here is Santa Cruz. I know you know this one. The green major resistance. The buy signal was at 57. We got to 170, and I think the minimum target is the golden top band at 225, 230, which is the previous all-time highs, I think, right? 250 actually. So looks amazing. It was an amazing run, and it still is climbing. So silver miner, Santa Cruz, Snowline Gold, right? The green sideways channels break was phenomenal. Then let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, blue bull flags breakout. Then the purple resistance was broken, and the red support. As long as the red support stays unchallenged, okay, 1, 2, 3. There is more upside all the way to the golden top band at 15 plus, right? This is kind of spin-off channel right there. The third touch is going to be 15 plus. We're at $9. So this is one of the good ones as well. And this is Silver Tiger. The green downtrend was broken. And of course, this is April, the Trump volatility. Then the golden, and after it started recovering from the backtest of the green bull flag, it got to the golden, broke it, backtested, which makes the golden top band as the ultimate target. And if and when this purple resistance breaks, then we get to the golden top band all the way, probably at 5. So this is 68 cents. It is, it has massive upside, this stock, and it is showing relative strength. Without silver rallying, it has been going up. SSL, Sandstorm Gold, right? Blue support, red resistance break. The golden downtrend was broken and back tested. The purple top band is broken. That's an uptrend broken to the upside. And not only that, this giant major resistance is broken too. Sandstorm is one of the best calls that I am made this year. SSV has been disappointing lately because the red resistance is broken, but the blue bull flag is holding. So SSV has to break 34 cents. Without that, I don't think you should buy it. At around 35 cents, it would break both the red and the blue. Of course, this has to happen without breaking the golden support. So it's price action that matters, and 35 cents would do it. And SUP, which is Northern Superior Resources, SUP, the golden bull flag, again, one of your calls, Caspar, you showed me this one. The green resistance together with the golden bull flag. I added the golden bull flag later on. First the blue, of course, then the blue support held, golden bull flag, and the green major resistance. There is no chance I wouldn't buy that one because it is very clear support, breakout, green resistance, golden bull flag breakout. Why not? The obvious target is 2 plus 240, which is that red top band. That's the minimum target for SUP. SVG. I think you just told me this one, no? Yes, SVG. The blue resistance is broken. The red downtrend is broken. These are penny stocks. SVM was a good one.
It's a very good one.
Very good one. The red resistance broken, but I think there was some news action here. I think at around 710, this is going to break out. And of course, the red support, the blue support, resistance break, back test. I don't think it's going to come down. I think this is going to break that red resistance. And then we're going to see a rally to 14. SVRS, on the daily chart, it's much more visible. Purple downtrend is broken, green resistance, golden resistance. And it is still looking really healthy, a healthy breakout. It's a penny stock, but yeah, big upside for this one. TFPM, one of the rockets since the break of the blue resistance. This is tariff volatility, finally recovered again. Golden bull flag was broken out. And then this consolidation obviously is broken out. And yeah, there's more upside for this. It's not stopping. This is Tiger Special Metals. And I would say even this one is breaking out. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of broken out already. Falling back in, but it is looking very good, this one. Because you can see here, the green uptrend, 2 touches on both sides, is broken, fell back below it, but then still managed to make new highs. TSG, one of the disappointments so far because the blue resistance was broken, spiked up, but then fell back below it. I think the next trial is going to prevail, and the obvious target is the golden top band for trading channels. It would be around 55 cents if it starts to run. And I think it will eventually. It will try the blue resistance once again and then probably smash it. This is Tudor Gold, right? Really big potential, but it really has to start going. Golden top band, golden bottom band. Beautiful uptrend. Black support, red wedge is broken. Blue resistance has to be broken for a big rally to start. But so far, it's not really performing. And if it gets to the blue, which is at 80 cents, if it breaks 80, then, well, golden top band is at $11, right? Massive upside, but first we have to see the price action. And TXG golden bull flag, right? It's this blue bull flag broken, back tested, golden uptrend, broken, back tested. That's a kind of a double support here. Golden small bull flag has formed. We can see it bounced off it. Now, if it breaks, and I think it will, we get to the red at what, 71, 70, $75. So somewhere around that range. And we are at 43. So looking very, very positive. Use subs. Yeah, adjust drawings. Okay. This here is, 1 second. I'm gonna, right. Yeah, this one. Split. Purple resistance was broken. Green sideways, like uptrend, is broken to the upside. Just today, I think. Is it today? Maybe today. This is interesting.
Yeah.
Was it news action? But the red one is broken too. So this is America's gold and silver. Very big. USL this year is from Australia since the break of the blue. This has really good upside all the way to the previous all-time high and the red top band. Really looking good because of the blue downtrends breakout. And Vista, we're coming towards the end. Vista is just like the other, like Hecla and Kerr, and it has broken the red major multi-decade resistance and the blue one, and it backtested that blue one. Look at this beauty. 1, 2, 3, broken and backtested, and now it is going to run to that green top band at 275. That's the minimum target. We're at 113. So, yeah. I think this is a very nice entry point here. And WPM, Wheaton, green resistance break. The golden top band is the obvious target, and it is trying to break the red top band as we are recording this one. Look at this. Uptrend, I think minimum target is the golden top band eventually. WRLG, we can skip this one. And WRN, this is a really nice breakout happening just this week. The veg is breaking out, and the red top band is the target for like $5. Very nice breakout here. PWAR,
I just bought that today.
YM, red resistance, and I think the blue top band may hold, but if it can be broken, then yes, good upside on this one. But this is a sideways channel. I think we may see a little bit of a pullback before it breaks out for good. Whew, I'm tired. I need a drink.
Understandable.
Yeah. I hope I hope it helps everyone to understand the price action strategies.
Yeah, certainly. Yeah. That's 60 stocks, right? Roughly 50, 60, 70 gold stocks.
Yeah, I think 60 stocks already. Like mining is, I'm adding new stocks to this mining portfolio. I can't buy all of them, but the members of trading channels are sometimes acting on their own. I'm just advising. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Exciting days for both uranium and all the precious metals miners. You know, like tech stocks are bloated, S&P 500, they're all quite bloated, right? I mean, the upside is rather limited in my view, but this space of uranium and precious metals miners offer the best opportunity at these bargain prices. That's I think the conclusion of this video.
Yeah, I agree. And also it's a good point. I think, the GDX divided against the SPX, you're seeing a 15-year breakout in favor of gold miners, right? So clearly gold miners are way better value at this moment in time, clearly. Yeah. So I agree completely. So exciting times for mining and commodities, metals. So.
Yeah.
Cool,
Yeah,
Burak. You're retired. You've gone through like 100 charts, uranium,
yeah,
gold,
yeah.
silver, and a bit of platinum. So thank you for this, Burak. As always,
Of course.
it's a pleasure, and we will check back in, in like 6 weeks' time, as usual.
Okay. Yeah,
So good.
sure.
Thank
Let's
you,
do that
everyone. And
sometime in October.
yeah, that's the deal. That's the
Yeah.
deal. Good.
All right.
Thank you, everyone. And yeah, stay safe as always. Cheers, guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. Take care.